चलो चलो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, you have to tell the missing number. Wait, Arya.
Sir, can Laksh say?
No, Arya, Laksh won't say. मैं जिससे पूछूंगा वो बताएगा. Dev, you have to tell me. Both the Dev, you have to tell me the answer. Dev 1 and Dev 2, you guys have to tell me the answer.
Sir, I just joined.
You just joined. So this is the question you have to answer.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this one, no, 2357 question mark.
Yes, this one only, Mr.
Sir, can we write in the chat?
Yes, you can. जिनका आंसर आ गया है आर्या, लक्ष्य, you can write in the chat. Two answers I am getting. Nidhi, do you want to change your answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. तो फिर चेंज कीजिए and tell me the correct answer. Nidhi?
Yes, sir. The correct answer is 11.
Okay.
Yes,
Dev,
sir.
next Dev. I mean, sir, I am section, it is 11.
Sir.
हाँ, बोलिए.
Sir, I am asking that if I means do we have to do means we can do it by pattern also?
What
Like
pattern you are observing here? Tell me.
no, sir.
Tell
There
me.
is sir, I was thinking about the 2, then 5, then 6.
Dev Bara, I have still not got your answer.
Sir, 11.
Dev, acha, 11. Okay, fine. So I guess everybody has given the answer. Anybody who is having confusion in this question, please tell me. वैसे तो मुझे लगता है सभी लोगों ने आंसर दे दिया है. Basically, we discussed this type of question also in the class, and the correct answer of this question is
11.
It will be 11. Why 11, sir? Why not 9? Why 11? Why not 9, sir? Because here we are having a series of prime numbers. यहाँ पे मेरे पास प्राइम नंबर की सीरीज है. कौन कौन से प्राइम नंबर्स हैं सर? 2 एक प्राइम नंबर है, 3 एक प्राइम नंबर है, 5 एक प्राइम नंबर है, 7 भी एक प्राइम नंबर है, और सर 11 भी एक प्राइम नंबर है. अब यहाँ पे गलती कहाँ हो सकती है जो आपके एक फ्रेंड ने गलती की? आपके फ्रेंड ने बोला कि सर आंसर विल बी 9. Why the answer will be 9? Because उन्होंने क्या किया? What she did, she neglected 2. उन्होंने देखा 3, 5, 7 है, अगला नंबर 9 हो जाएगा. नो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. The answer will be 11. So my dear friends, the correct answer of this question is option number C, that is 11. Next. Just a minute. ठीक है, चलो. What is the answer? Okay, Laksh. Okay, Laksh, don't give the answer to everyone. Rather, give the answer to me only. Okay. रुको मैं.
Okay, sir.
Let me check. Let me see if I can check the settings. I don't know where is that setting. So Lakshya, I can't help you out.
Sir,
हाँ
sir, we
बेटा.
have to only do that setting from where everyone is written. Now we have to go to your name. Two names are there, everyone and
I
one
have,
your
I
name
have,
is.
I have done, I have changed that setting, Laksh. Thank you. Now you will be only able to chat with me. I changed that setting. चलो बताओ. Actually इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप सबके साथ चैट करो. There is no issue, but the thing is, those who are trying, they must keep on trying. No. Okay, 2 answers I got. Perhaps 3, 4. Very good, very good. 4 answers I got. Dev, Laksh, Aryan, then Ayush and Nidhi. 4 answers I have got. What about others? Dev, Divyanka, then Rishika, Saksham, and okay, there are 2 Saksham. Very good, very good. Getting back to the topic, the answer that you guys are giving is 289. Obviously, it is a correct answer. How I will solve it, sir? How I will solve it, sir? देखिए सब ध्यान से, देखना सब ध्यान से. This number 4 is 2 square. This number is 5 square. This number is 8 square. This number is 11 square, and this number is 14 square. इसका मतलब जानते हो क्या हो रहा है? Do you know what is happening here? यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है कि the consecutive numbers are being increased by 3 and then they are being squared. 2 plus 3 5 किया, 5 स्क्वायर कर दिया, 5 plus 3 8 हुआ, 8 का स्क्वायर कर दिया, 8 plus 3 11 हुआ, 11 का स्क्वायर कर दिया, 11 plus 3 14 हुआ, 14 का स्क्वायर कर दिया. This is what is being done in this question. Okay, चलिए, let us solve the next question. Let us solve the next question. हो गया भाई? Oh, 2 different answers. Rishika, do you want to change your answer or you are fine with this? Just asking, do you want to change your answer or you are fine with this? If you want to change, you can change.
Yes, sir, I want to change. I'll send you the answer in chat.
Correct. Good. Chalo, karo. Okay. Okay. But Rishika, you should try to get the answer, correct answer in the first step only. Otherwise, in the first attempt only. Otherwise, you can lose the marks, because remember, the pattern of examination that you are going to face, it will have +3 for correct and -1 for negative, right? So please be careful while doing these things, okay? These are the questions which are very easy, but the thing is, you can lose the marks. Okay, okay. One more thing, you guys are very, very innocent. Saksham, जब आप chat कर रहे हो, तो I can see your name. See what type of chats I'm getting. Sir, I am Saksham. Sir, answer is this. Next one, what I got? No. No. Only Saksham has written his name. Saksham, bacha, when you are chatting with me, then I can see your name, okay? Good. You guys are very innocent. Very innocent. बहुत अच्छे. God bless you. करना क्या है? करना क्या है भाई? इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है? देखो, 4 के बाद 10 आया, 10 के बाद 22 आया, 22 के बाद 46 आया, 46 के बाद क्या आएगा? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. समझते हैं? चलो, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो समझते हैं. सर, देयर आर 2 मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. बताओ, दोनों मेथड बताओ. मेथड नंबर 1, देखना ध्यान से, जहां समझ में ना आए वहां पूछना. अरे भाई पीछे जा. मेथड नंबर, एक सेकेंड ना. मेथड नंबर 1. मेथड नंबर 1 इज, सर 10 - 4 कितना होता है सर? आई एम राइटिंग, जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग. हाँ, 10 - 4 इज 6. 22 - 10 is 12. 46 - 22 is 24. 46 - 22 is 24. So, my dear friend, the next will be 24. Now here there was a difference of 6. Here there is a difference of 12. So next difference will be of 48. So the next number will be 46 plus 48. 46 plus 48, which is equal to 94. So the correct answer of this question will be option number D, which is 94. सर समझ में नहीं आया, मजा नहीं आया. एक क्वेश्चन और कर, एक मेथड और बताइए. लेट मी डिस्कस वन मोर मेथड विथ यू. लेट मी डिस्कस वन मोर मेथड विथ यू. क्या मेथड हो सकता है सर? 10 कैन बी रिटन एज, सर 10 कैन बी रिटन एज 4 multiplied by 2 plus 2. Sir, at the same time, 22 can be written as 10 multiplied by 2 plus 2. Sir ji, at the same time, 46 can be written as 22 multiplied by 2 plus 2. So, sir, finally at the same time, this question mark can be written as 46 multiplied by 2 plus 2. So the correct answer of this question is 94. By whichever method you want, you can solve the question, but the point is you should solve the question. Let us move to the next question. Hi. Chalo. You have to tell me the wrong term. You have to tell me the wrong term. Chalo. Take your time. Don't worry if you are not getting the answer. Don't worry, I'll help you out. But at least try. But at least try. If you are not getting, I am there to help you. Okay, but at least try. In this question, basically there are two type of series which are going on. कौन कौन सी सीरीज है सर, कैसे पहचाने? देखो ऐसे पहचानो कि सर जो सीरीज है, जो पहली सीरीज है वो है, जस्ट sir, the first series is 3, then I'm having 9, then I'm having 27, then I'm having 81, then I'm having 243. That is, every number is being multiplied by 3. अगली सीरीज को देखते हैं सर, अगली सीरीज को देखते हैं सर. The next series is 7, then I'm having 21, इसके बाद आना चाहिए था 63, लेकिन यहाँ पे 66 आ रहा है. बट स्टिल आई कैन नॉट बी श्योर. अगर मेरा नेक्स्ट नंबर 189 है तो आई कैन बी श्योर दैट यस, यहाँ पे जो रॉन्ग नंबर होगा दैट विल बी 63. अगर मेरा नेक्स्ट नंबर 189 नहीं होता तो फिर मुझे कुछ और सोचना पड़ता. जब मैंने नेक्स्ट नंबर को चेक किया, आई गॉट द आंसर एज 63 into 3, which is equal to 89. So 189. So my dear friend, the correct answer will be 189. The correct so the wrong term will be here 66, because the next term is 189. वो मुझे दिया हुआ है. तो फाइनली मेरी सीरीज बन गई. मेरी सीरीज क्या हुई? 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, and the second series is 7, 21, 63, 189 and dot 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 dot. तो इसका जो आंसर होगा ना सर, द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी, विच इज इक्वल टू 66. ऑप्शन नंबर बी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, इस क्वेश्चन में जरा ध्यान लगाएं. 27, 34, 40, 45, 49, 53, 54, 55. You have to tell the wrong term.
Sir,
Yes.
why the option says 56? It would be what? Because 56 is not given in the series.
56 is not given in series. तो छोड़ दो यार 56. Forget 56. If the answer is 56, then so you can say that the forget it. If the answer comes out to be none other than A, B और C, अगर आंसर नहीं आता है तो फिर तो आप बोल सकते हो कि भाई ये क्वेश्चन गलत है, लेकिन ऐसा तो है नहीं. ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर फर्स्ट. Try to find out the answer. Saksham, Aryan, Divyanka. Arya. Saksham, Ayush. Okay. Arya. Nidhi? Beta, what about you?
I am still doing.
You are still doing. Okay, okay. ठीक है.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there was a question in our mock test. I have a doubt. So, sir, can I ask you in class?
Wait. First, let this question happen, beta. First, let this question happen. Then I'll answer you. Till then, if you want, you can send me that question in chat. If you have completed this question, send me that question in chat. चलो हो गया ये. Most of you have got the answer. Those who have not got the answer, please see. Those who have not got the answer, please see. See the what will happen here. What will happen here is, sir, देखो 34 minus 27 is 34 minus 27 is 6. Then 40 minus 34 is, sorry, this is 7. This is 6. Then 45 minus 40 is 5. Then what will happen? Sir, 49 minus 45 is 4. Then what will happen? Sir, 50, next difference should be equal to 3. So 49 plus 3, it should be 52. The number should be here 52 minus 49 should be equal to 3. So एक अपने को जो गलती मिली वो यहाँ पे ये मिल गई. But still I am not sure, because the difference between 54 and 52 should be 1, and 55 and 54 and 52 के बीच का डिफरेंस 2 होना चाहिए, एंड 55 एंड 54 के डिफरेंस बीच का डिफरेंस 1 होना चाहिए. देख लो भाई क्या ऐसा है. यस सर ऐसा है. 54 minus 52 is equal to 2, and sir 55 minus 54 is equal to 1. So I am getting the difference as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sir, the correct answer of this question will be 53. Yes, there is a printing mistake in this question, that it should be option number C should be 56. But even someday, बेटा एक बात ध्यान रखना, कई बार क्या होता है जब आप एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस करते हो तो यू गेट द ऑप्शंस आल्सो इनकरेक्ट. These things are being desperately done. Why these things are desperately done, beta? Because they want to train you for each and every situation. अगर इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मान लो 53 नहीं आता, 45 भी नहीं आता, 34 भी नहीं आता, 56 तो अपन, तो फिर हम क्या करते हैं, हम 56 मार्क कर देते. फिर हम 56 मार्क कर देते क्योंकि चारों में से कोई ना कोई एक आंसर तो सही होना ही चाहिए था. अब यहाँ पे ठीक है प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, वो 56 की जगह कुछ भी हो सकता था, हमें नहीं पता क्या होगा, लेकिन हमें ये पता है कि ऑप्शन नंबर ए भी गलत है, ऑप्शन नंबर बी भी गलत है, ऑप्शन नंबर सी भी गलत है, ऑप्शन नंबर डी भी गलत है. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी होगा. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो बीइंग डन बिकॉज जो हमारे पेपर्स आते हैं, इमेज भेज दिया, जो हमारे पेपर्स आते हैं वो हमारे पेपर्स कुछ इस तरीके से आते हैं कि आई हैव ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. आई मीन हमारा जो पेपर सेट किया जाता है उसमें कुछ डिफरेंसेस भी होते हैं, कुछ एरर्स भी होते हैं. चल नाउ आई विल जस्ट फाइंड दैट क्वेश्चन जो आपके फ्रेंड ने पूछा था कि व्हाट डाउट ही इज हैविंग, देन आई विल मूव अहेड. ओके, सो आई एम पॉजिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. Let us do it once again. The question is saying which of the following is 8th to the right of 7th letter from the left. So first of all what I will do is I will go to the 7th letter from the left, and after reaching the 7th letter from the left I will go to the 8th letter to the right of that letter. Suppose this is the 7th letter from the left. Now I will go to the 8th letter. Now I will go to the 8th letter. So suppose this is the letter finally that I am getting. So basically what I am doing, from left I am going to 7 plus 8 which is equal to 15th letter. From left, this is my starting point. This is my 7th letter. This is my 7th letter. 8th letter to the left of. So this letter is my 7th letter. Now I have to go to the 8th letter. So basically I am going to the 15th letter from my left. अब लेफ्ट से काउंट कर लो 15th लेटर कौन सा है सर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. L will be my answer. The correct answer of this question will be L. Option number C.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me. Sir, I have done it in the same way, but in our mock test, the answer is F.
In your mock test, the answer is F. The answer might be incorrect.
Yes, sir.
The answer might be incorrect.
So with me also this happened.
Sir, I also did L, but it is showing that I have done wrong. So, sir.
No, maybe the answer is incorrect because about mock test I can't say anything. Maybe the answer is correct. See, you आप खुद देखो ना, 8th letter to the right of 7th letter from the left. सबसे पहले I got to the 7th letter. सबसे पहले I got to the 7th letter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the 7th letter. Now I have to go to the 8th letter. So this will be the 8th letter. 8th letter to the right बोला है, तो ये यहाँ पे अपन आएंगे. अगर 8th letter to the left बोला होता तो शायद सही हो सकता था, बट फिर भी नहीं होता क्योंकि वहां पे तो उधर there are only 7 letters there. So the answer is incorrect. The answer is incorrect. Your approach is correct. See, that was just a mock test to give you the practice. We have not scrutinized the paper. We have not seen the paper. So might be the paper would be wrong. But yes, there are very minute chances of the paper to be wrong. But yes, if there is any incorrect question, that we have discussed, right? Any other question in which you guys had doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So that was the question. That was an incorrect question. You can take my words. It was the answer was marked incorrect. Okay, fine. Chalo. Now let us discuss some more questions. Obviously.
Sir, I got the answer.
बताइए. I saw
Sir,
your
I
messages.
too.
Sir, sent you in
I
chat.
also got.
I sent you in chat.
Sir, Laksh also.
Laksh also got. Other guy, Arya also got. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, sir,
I
Nidhi
also
also
got.
got.
Very nice. Very nice, bhai. Good. Good. You guys are getting the answer. That's nice. What is the answer?
Sir, C14.
14.
Sir, 14.
14. अच्छा पक्का?
Yes, sir.
तो
Sir,
चलो
Yes, sir.
गलत मत बताना. गलत मत बताना भाई. Don't tell me the wrong answer. The correct answer of this question will be option number C, that is 14. यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है? This number divided by 2, I am getting this number. This number divided by 2, this number divided by 2, I am getting this number. This number divided by 2, I will get the question mark, which is 14. And this number divided by 2, I am getting 8. So, sir, the correct answer of this question will be option number C, that is 14. Let us move to the next question. चलिए बताइए. हाँ भाई, हो गया? Come on, yaar. चलो देखो, जो पहला टर्म है, द फर्स्ट टर्म 6 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 क्यूब माइनस 2. 2 क्यूब कितना होता है? अभी पिछली क्लास में पढ़ाया था 8. 8 माइनस 2 कितना होता है? 6. तो पहला टर्म हो गया, that is 2 cube minus 2. Next term 24 is 3 cube minus 3. Third term is 4 cube minus 4. Fifth term is 5 cube minus 5. Sixth term is 6 cube minus 6. Next is 7 cube minus 7. Next will be 8 cube minus 8, and the value of 8 cube minus 8 is 8 cube कितना होता है? 512. 512 minus 8 is 504. So the correct answer of this question will be 504. बात समझ में आई? बात समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
The correct answer of this question will be 504. 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5. इस क्वेश्चन को अपन ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे, एक नंबर यहाँ पे हम और डाल सकते थे जो कि था 0. 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4, 5 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 6. हो गया, खत्म. आगे बढ़ो. नेक्स्ट, चलिए इसको बताइए. Come on. Okay. Seems you are done. Not correct. In fact, you guys are correct. The answer will be, see the number 4. The number 4 is nothing but, the number 4 is nothing but 3 plus 1. The number 5 is nothing but 4 plus 1. The number 9 is nothing but 4 plus 5. The number 23. The number 23 is nothing but, the number 14 is nothing but 9 plus 5. The number 23 is nothing but 14 plus 9. So the next number will be nothing but, this question mark will be nothing but 14 plus 23, which is equal to 37. बात समझ में आ गई? So the correct answer of this question will be option number B, which is 37. Next. Okay. Good. अच्छी बात. Very good. Very nice. See what will happen, what is going to happen. Just see what is going to happen. So here what I'm having, this 6 is this 6 is nothing but 3 into 2. Sir, this 18 is nothing but 6 into 3. Then, sir, this 72 is nothing but 18 into 4. After that, sir, this 360 is nothing but 72 into 5. Sir, in the end, what will happen? The last number, the question mark, will be nothing but 360 into 6, which is equal to, sir, 2160. So, sir, 2160 will be my correct answer of the question. 2160 will be my correct answer of the question. So, guys, this was all about today's session. I wanted to discuss. See, the questions are unlimited. Whatever questions you want, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 200, 500, you can solve. But my limitation is I can't go beyond a certain number of questions, otherwise the rest of the topics will remain. So what I will do is I'll stop here today. In the next class, when we will meet perhaps on Monday or whenever your next mental ability class is scheduled, we will deal with chapter number 3. All the best for your test. Remember one thing, you guys have learnt all the concepts. You guys have solved maximum questions. So there is no reason that you guys won't be able to do well in the test. I'm pretty sure you guys will be doing well in your test. This is your first test of your association with us. Little bit an anxiety must be there. कैसा पेपर आएगा, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. Believe me, the paper would be very simple. It will have all the type of questions that you have done. जैसे questions आपने किए हैं वैसे ही questions आएंगे उसमें. So don't worry, just be chill and solve the questions with cool head. ये मत करना कि क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व कर रहे हो और ये भी ध्यान में रख रहे हो कि घर में व्हाट माय मॉम इज कुकिंग. नो, क्वेश्चन पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन करते वक्त, टेस्ट देते वक्त 2 घंटे का, 2.5 घंटे का, जितनी भी देर का टेस्ट होगा, टेस्ट देते वक्त फोकस फुल्ली ऑन द पेपर. इधर उधर की बातें मत सोचना. क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व करना. एट दैट टाइम, इन दैट 2 hours or in that 3 hours, the only thing that should come in your mind is your paper, nothing else. Everything else is secondary. Only your paper is primary. एक कहावत आप लोगों ने, सभी लोगों ने सुनी होगी. गुरु द्रोणाचार्य ने सभी अपने शिष्यों से पूछा कि what is there you are what is the thing that you are seeing on that tree? Everybody said that I am seeing this, I am seeing that, I am seeing that, but only it was Arjun who said that, sir, I am seeing only the eye of that bird. This must have been taught to you guys in 7th standard or in 8th standard, I don't know. We read this story when I was in 7th standard. But this story was so dear to me that I remember it today also. So my dear friend.
So we read this story in 7th only.
Yes. See, in CBSE board, this story is being taught in 7th standard. So my dear friend.
Sir, we studied it in 3rd standard.
Okay. So my dear friend, be like Arjun at the time of giving the exam. Rest, you guys have capability to be like Arjun. So be like Arjun while giving the exam. Don't think of anybody else, anything else. All the best. Do well. I'll see you guys on Monday. No, I'll see you guys on day after tomorrow and tomorrow also, but with different topics. So till then, bye-bye. Take care and have a nice time.